Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate your credit card on the PNC Bank website. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in pnc.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official PNC website. Now once you're inside the homepage, click on the sign on button at the top right corner and you will be asked to enter your credentials. Just type in your user ID followed by your password, and after entering both your credentials, you can click on the login button. Now after you have been logged into your account, scroll down and click on credit cards, and once you have been logged in, you will be able to find the activate button. Just click on the activate button and you will be asked to enter your credit card credentials. Type in your credit card number followed by the expiration date and the CVV number, and now your credit card will be activated and it will be linked with your PNC account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to activate your credit card on PNC Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.